Hi everyone, good morning, welcome to the channel. This is gonna be my first video. So I bought a new project car last week and I just want to show you guys before I do stuff to it. So it's a 2014 Scion FRS, has about 90,000 miles on it. Fairly good condition, but just has a couple things wrong with it, which I'll go through in this video. So first off, as everyone can see, it's pretty low. Previous owner, I believe, had lowering springs on it, but oh my Jesus, this thing is so stiff. I don't know if the shocks might have just gone out, but that's something we're gonna have to fix. Second of all, so the door lock actuator doesn't really work, so I kind of have to use the key to get in, but nothing really big to worry about. Third off, steering wheel is peeling a little bit. Probably just drive around with gloves or something, no biggie. But my main issue, once I turn on the car, as you guys can hear, it's kinda loud. So previous owner, instead of getting a full cat back, just did a muffler delete. So it's really loud. First day of ownership, already got flashed by a cop. But I mean, overall, everything seems nice. You know, clean the interior a bit. But yeah, just want to make this quick video before I start modifying it. So the plan for this car, it's gonna be a track build. I'm gonna sign up for on-grid Streets of Willow in about 3 weeks. So there's a lot of work to be done to it to get this car ready. Gotta get some wider wheels, tires, a good coilover system on it, get rid of that stiff ride height. Definitely quiet down that exhaust. And yeah, that's about it. I'll be working on the car today, so just want to make this quick video before I change the look of the car. So first ever time filming myself, kind of shy. Hopefully you guys like it. Please subscribe. See you guys on the next one.